some of the best people around the world, we are trying to bring some of the best stories. I understand that sometimes it's hard to consume the full clip, so we bought some short clips with the greater value, so you can enjoy the best part of the conversation in less time. Enjoy the highlights of the best episode and do not forget to hit the bell icon to subscribe, so you'll be the first one if we release any video. Also, let's make it a little light, because as our mind cannot handle too much complexity, so let's make it a little fun for the people. Let's quick rapid fire round.
Okay.
I'll be just asking a certain question. You can make it a crisp one-liner or something, right?
Okay.
2 ways to improve your credit score.
Just invest in good loans, which you can pay back with a proper plan for it.
Makes sense. And what are the one scenario, as you mentioned, good loan and bad loan? What is the one scenario of the good loan and bad loan?
I think, as I mentioned, I've already mentioned the planning part. So good loan for me is when you plan before you take a loan, and you take loan on appreciating assets like maybe education, home, real estate, or business. Bad loan is something which is like on the opposite end, and you're just taking loans on appreciating assets like buying for consumables or cars, and you just carelessly take loan and you don't have a plan to pay for it.
Indeed. And if you really want the highest returns, then what your investment should be?
I'm not going to go into that. I'm not going to go and give you any leads for it.
Okay.
So you have to pull your system one and your research-led analysis, whatever it says, go and invest in that.
Okay. What do you think? Okay, that's completely going to be from your perspective. What do you think that how close is the cryptocurrency to become mainstream? Or it has already? What do you think?
I really think cryptocurrency is a wave, and people, because it's anything which is attractive, and there's a full theory around attractiveness. So anything which is attractive, you generally are drawn towards it, which is kind of having certain unique features. You're generally attracted to it. So I think it's a wave. It will go, and I personally don't believe much in cryptocurrencies, and I don't invest.
And also, there's a one thing that I'm always curious to know from my guest. So, Signeet, what is the one trend that you would like to see more evolving in the new world, or I should say, one trend that you would like to see more embraced?
I think one trend which I think should be there across the world, if you ask me, financial and investment literacy. And literacy, I'm just reiterating again, literacy is very, very important. Financial and investment literacy across the world, whether you go to US, UK, India, developing or underdeveloped countries. I think this is one trend which has to emerge, and this will bring change throughout the world and take our bar from here to here. And I think behavioral science and behavioral science theories can really make an impact. The models and the research which we can build tomorrow can really make a difference and can really increase the literacy rates and adoption there. So I really believe in that.
And I think I can't agree more on that. Because this is something, I also, and even, because I know the kind of education system we came from, so it's always lacking. Right now we are embracing and learning about the same, whether it's the most basic thing that you can count on or the complex part. So wahan tak jaane ka, I think that path is still too long, but even at this stage we are literally covering the basics. So that's what the status of, and I'm not just saying about my end, but I think the whole millennials and Gen Zs, I think will agree on the same. So yeah,
I think millennials and Gen Zs, I think across all age groups, I could see in different research pieces, they can embrace that thing and tell us more. Every age group is struggling around finances in one way or the other, and saving, investing is something which people they do not know, and if they do not know, then they will not be able to gain that information from there. Maybe if they have advisors also. So that's just, we are just pushing it and we are just leading our life. But rather, that's something, if we know from the very first stage, as you mentioned, that when we were studying we didn't know that. Now I think many schools have like pushing that in their life skills curriculum as a part of their main curriculum. So it's coming into mainstream, but it's very slow and steady, which I think will not win the race in coming years. We need to gear up, we need to push that across for every age group, not for some specific age groups.
Also, you can enjoy the full episodes on Spotify, Apple, Google Podcast, or any other audio streaming platform. Links in the description below. And I'll see you soon in the next video with another great value, with another great story, with another great human. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye, and God bless us all.
They